Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove indicators on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove indicators on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, you can see the chart button over here. First, this watch list page will be loaded in front of us. We'll be required to tap on the chart button at the bottom left corner of the screen, just beside the watch list. Tap on it, and over here, guys, you can see your indicators are at the top of the screen. Whatever you draw on your charts, these are the drawings, and the indicators are these. Either you can tap on the dumpster icon at the right side. You can see over here there is the dumpster icon, and that hasn't deleted. Let's undo that. Either you can do that, either you can delete it by just tapping on the dumpster icon and it will be deleted instantly, or else you can tap on the pen icon over here, which is the fixed range volume profile. Tap on it, and wherever you are, you will be required to go to the tools section over here. Tap on tools, and you can see the remove button over here. Don't tap it already, just tap on the three dotted icon just beside the remove drawing button, and you can see all of your indicators will be over here. If you want to delete it, just tap on remove two indicators, or how many indicators you're using will be there. Tap on it, and all of your indicators will be deleted or removed from your TradingView at once. And with that being said, guys, this is how to remove indicators on TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.